Hello and welcome to White Stores. My name's Rob and I'm here to introduce you to the Fleur family. Within the family we have both lounging and dining options. You can choose from a 4-seat, 6-seat or 8-seat dining set to fit any space in your garden. You can also choose from one of our sofa sets or corner sofas with an additional armchair should you need it. The soft rope has been woven around the frame in an open, intricate pattern, keeping the look and feel of the set light and airy. Synthetic rope dries fast, is resistant to fading, and can be left outside all year round. Fleur is a feminine design with natural colours and curved corners, ideal for country gardens. One of the key features is the stunning marble effect sintered stone tabletops. This has been partnered with heat transfer wood look aluminium legs so that you get all the beauty of natural wood without the maintenance and upkeep that comes with it. The cushion cases are made from a textured olefin fabric that can be machine washed. We also add a texteline panel at the bottom of our cushion cases, ensuring maximum breathability and added comfort. We use a high quality firm cushion filling designed to last year after year without going flat. The aluminium legs have been powder coated in our pebble colour to complement the natural look and feel of the Fleur design. Aluminium is ideal for garden furniture as it's lightweight and it doesn't rust, ensuring you can leave it outside all year round. The Fleur family is available exclusively at White Stores and comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Visit your local White Stores or shop online with more ways to pay than ever before.